Hi guys. Okay, the type of essay I got today is an argumentative essay. An argumentative essay is an essay type that argues one point against another. And another way you can look at it is that the point of the essay is to prove this part of an argument correct. And so they use another side of the argument to shoot that part down and prove that their point is correct. Before I go ahead and read some points that make this essay an argumentative essay and some important points, I'm going to add a little side notes here. I know this essay is a lot shorter than some of the ones I was seeing, but I think it's a very good example of an argumentative essay, and that's why I chose it. And it's about something that's actually a very good point, I feel like. One of the things that needs to be an argumentative essay, I feel, is a counterclaim, which is right here, this big square right there. Usually they're in the bottom of the essay, or more towards the end. I've never seen a counterclaim at the beginning of an argumentative essay, but in this circumstance, I think that it strengthens the essay because the writer spends the rest of the essay proving their point and backing it up, and they don't pause to add their counterclaim. And I actually do think that it makes it stronger. The second thing I'm going to talk about that needs to be in an argumentative essay is a thesis statement. The thesis statement is right here, right there. The topic of this essay is that it would be a serious mistake to replace libraries with tablets. And they use a lot of facts in this essay, which is another thing that needs to be in an argumentative essay. You can't just use your opinion to back up an argumentative essay. You can't just be like, you shouldn't swim in the lagoon because it makes your hair look ugly, in my opinion. Like, no, you have to be like, because there's bugs or this or that, and you can't just add your opinion. It wouldn't make it a very strong essay. So they use some really good facts in this essay. I highlighted a few of them. The first one being, a study done on tablet versus book reading found that people read 20 to 30% slower on tablets, retain 20% less information, and understand 10% less what they read compared to people who read the same information in print. There's also another fact right here, but I didn't want to highlight the whole paragraph. So there's a really good fact in here. I also forgot to highlight this whole thing, which I feel like I should have done. So I'm gonna do that real quick. The second fact I'm going to read is people who use tablets and mobile devices excessively also have a higher incidence of more serious health issues such as fibromyalgia, shoulder and back pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and muscle strain. Those are two good facts that really strongly try to support the argument that this writer is proving. Another one that I found in the second body paragraph is libraries have a multitude of benefits and many are only available if the library has a physical location. Some of these benefits include acting as a quiet study place, giving people a way to converse with their neighbors, holding classes on a variety of topics, providing jobs, answering Patreon questions, and keeping the community connected. Now, this definitely really backs up the reason that we need libraries instead of tablets, because it shows the benefits of having a physical library, which I feel like needed to be in there. It was very helpful. Another thing that I wanted to point out was this sentence right here. It is a little piece of personal experience. It says, I know that whenever I read from my e-reader for too long, my eyes begin to feel tired and my neck hurts. It made me feel closer to the writer, and I like when people writers add in personal experience into their writing. I know a lot of people don't agree with personal experience being in an argumentative essay, but I liked it here. Something else that I felt that made it stronger is the transition words, which there's one right here. It says first, and then there's another one here, second. I like when there's transition words. It makes it flow more smoothly. There could have been more, but it definitely made it flow smoother. I'm not going to read any more from this essay, but it was definitely a strong essay. It went straight to the point. It was definitely an argumentative essay. It had an introduction, it had a counterclaim, and then it really strongly backed up its point of view with its body paragraphs. It could have been longer, yes, but I feel like its body paragraphs really went there. It added facts to back everything up. Um, the conclusion was very short and sweet to the point, and I feel like it really ended on a good, like, slamming note. It said, while replacing libraries with tablets may seem like a simple solution, it would encourage people to spend even more time looking at digital screens despite the myriad issues surrounding them. It would also end access to many of the benefits of libraries that people have come to rely on. In many areas, libraries are such an important part of the community network that they can never be replaced by a single object. That part really brought it home for me. It definitely did. The ending, like, it just made it done for me. It convinced me. Um, I'm done reading the essay. I feel like I really explained all the points. I also feel like I explained what an argumentative essay is, what to look for when seeing if it's an argumentative essay. So thank you for watching my video. Sorry if I did stumble a lot with my words. I cannot talk today, even though I have not been able to talk all week because I've made this video like 5 times. Um, but I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned a lot, and I hope you liked my video and my essay choice. Have a good day. Bye.